Nothing to see here, just a boy swinging with his dog. Is it fun, Carson?
I know your number one priority is Stephen, we get it.
No!
Do ba 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 do.
Wee dun dun wee dun dun wee dun dun wee.
Excuse me, I seem to have misplaced my vibe. Sorry. Do you guys have my vibe?
No.
Oh God, no. Where's my vibe? Fuck.
Not here.
I'm just looking for my vibes. I'll find them over here, you dick. Hell.
I can't wait to go to the— oh shit, bitch! God damn it! Oh, did you see what happened? We gotta be careful. Oh shit!
John, let me get on your back.
Cutting up, I want a mouse. Cutting your mouse as fast as I meow.
Isn't it kind of weird that you only throw breadcrumbs to the fucking ducks and never the owls, you racist? Oh, is that a breadcrumb? Did you just throw a breadcrumb? Holy shit, I've never had a bread— oh, that's not bread. What the fuck, dude?
Oh my god. Oh, that feels so good. Oh man, what's that called? You like using your fingers to rub me and it's making me sleepy. Is that fingering? Oh, finger me more, please. It feels so nice. Oh man, I'm in the ass. Oh my god. Oh shit, you're fingering me to sleep. Oh man, you gotta finger me some more.
Hey, how you doing, Mr. Pussy? I didn't mean to wake you up. My name's Mr. Owl. Your owner left a window open, so I just kind of let myself in. But I was wondering if you could roll your fat ass off this couch and I could try it for a little bit, because I live in a tree and we don't have couches, so I've never been on one before. Ow! Oh my god, what the fuck? Look at these wings! I'm waving my wings at you! You better run! That's right. Next time you're outside, I'm gonna pick you up, fly you 100 feet high, and drop you in the neighbor's dog kennel.
Hey John! Huh? Face jab! Jesus, Timmy? Check it. Ooh, ah, up, circle, side to side. A little bit of movement, okay. Little right, left, Hey, Steven, check it out. Check it out, ready? 360. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Holy shit, did you see that? That was sick, 360.
Guess what? Fuck you, that's what. 10,000 years of evolution and this. Pathetic. Oh yeah? Huh. Well, who's in the cage, bitch? Hey, Gator. Huh. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, get back into that water where you belong. Hey, Bear, I don't want to have to tell you again. Get the hell out of here, alright? Get out of here, you son of a bitch! Get out of here!
They're gonna get me! Oh shit, big fuck! Help!
God damn it, Timmy, on my day off. Hey, get out of here, bird! God damn it, don't come back! Okay? Bitch.
Hey, Timmy, where the hell are we, man?
Yeah, Greg, to be honest with you, after we passed Polar Bear Boulevard, kind of got turned around. God damn it, Timmy, I knew we should have took a right. So anyways, son, whoa, Jesus Christ. I'm out. Yeah, fuck you guys. Holy shit.
Whoa.
Jesus, what the fuck's the matter with you, Mark? Get a hold of yourself. I'm getting the hell out of here. Mark, what the... Dude, come on. Oh, I'm back. Oh, shit.
Come at me, Robert! Do something with that big dumb head, you bitch! What about you, Peter? You want some? I dare you, bitch! I double dog dare you, you fat fucking pussy! Are you not entertained?
I'm pretty entertained.
Yeah, that was really entertaining.
Brave ass duck, dude.
Yeah, but Peter was a bitch out there too, though.
Man, fuck all you haters, dude.
Keep running, you bitch ass calves! This is why y'all are hamburgers!
Crowley! Oh, Phoebe.
It's not. Oh.
Yes.
Telling them, give me the Sheba next time because the meow make. Hey, yo, who was that on your goddamn forehead? As you can see, a cat's balance. Hey, man, don't put your nose on me when I'm walking through with balance and grace. You know better than that.
So we slapping people, huh? Okay.
Hey, Gerald, man, back on up, playboy. We talking grown folks' business in here.
Bruh.
Hey!
Be careful over here.
Yeah. Oh shit! Ah!
No! Oh, fucking no! Shit! Ah, shit! Oh! Woohoo! Shit! Up down here. Another one. Last one. Oh! Shit! That hurts. Who the hell put a rope over here? Let me get through. Come on. Let me just. Oh shit! Oh no! I'm stuck. No! I'm stuck. Come on. Get loose. There we go. All right. Let me go back. Oh, God damn it.
Wee, dum dum wee, dum dum wee, dum dum wee.
Mordimi, mordimi, mangia.